Hi, I'm Chef Cynthia Louise and welcome to my YouTube channel because there's new recipes coming through every week. I'll do that again, yeah?
Per head open, per head.
Preheat.
Per head, you're
You're so
open.
lucky you have 2 languages. No, you are so lucky. You are so lucky. I can't even speak Indonesian fluently. You can speak 2 languages. 3, actually.
4.
Okay, do it again.
Nice,
right?
okay.
She's so great.
Hi, Chef Cynthia Louise.
Hey, hello, Lasmini.
Hi, welcome to
Your kitchen.
my, not me, this yours, but can I make cookie?
Yes.
It's your kitchen?
She always makes cookies. This is what happens behind the scenes of every day in here. Lasmini is always
Yep.
making cookies.
Yes.
We love the cookies. But
Yeah.
you have a special way. Come on, show everybody.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, this is special for cat doors, right?
Yeah, for you, cat doors. And for
Okay.
you, come on, because you
For
love
you.
cookies too.
Okay, first we make the dry. We put all the dry here.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Dry ingredients in one bowl. The reason why these
Yeah.
cookies are different, and these are not in the cookbook either.
Yeah.
These are not in my new cookbook, Celebrate Your Sweet Tooth. They are not, but there are other cookies in there. These are just these are really like,
Special cookies, right?
They're really special. We want to share them with you today.
Okay.
But wait, Lasmi makes them better than me. You make them so much better.
But
No, you do.
I learned so much from you.
Yeah, but you've nailed this recipe.
Maybe magic hand, right?
Oh yeah, totally.
This is magic hand.
This is what happens in here all day.
Okay. First, you can do measure
Which one?
this one.
Oats,
Oat,
half a
yes.
cup. Cassava flour.
Half cup and then 1 cup.
Oh, 1.5.
Yes. 1 cup of sugar.
You love this cookie, don't you?
I do. They're my favourites. I like to request the cookies.
You're a requester of the cookies, mate.
The cookies are good.
200
Maybe
of
we get
this.
style, yeah.
So this is choc chip, yeah?
Chocolate chip.
Without white sugar and without dairy.
Half teaspoon baking soda.
Oh, salt, yeah?
Yeah. And then half teaspoon baking powder.
Oh, yeah. We're streaming live here from Indonesia, in Bali, in the studio, where we're always doing something together. Hey.
Together. And then this one is flaxseed ground flaxseed.
Ground flax. Any
Yeah.
flaxseed? Golden flax or brown flax?
Brown flaxseed.
And you grind it down? How you grind it down?
Just blend it, and then you make ground.
In the food, in the
Blender, Vitamix.
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 How many tablespoons?
3 tablespoons.
So what does the flax do?
Flax is like egg.
Ah, right. So 3 eggs.
3 eggs.
Right,
Yeah.
Got it. I taught you that, but I'm just, Okay, what's next?
Oil.
Yeah.
Yes.
And what
Yep.
sort of oil is this?
This is coconut oil, and then olive oil.
And what other oil can you use?
We can use rice bran oil,
Rice bran oil, yeah.
and then cacao butter.
oh, wow.
melted.
Melted.
Yeah. Yeah. We can
Wow.
use it.
So, in here?
Yep.
That's it?
That's it.
Why didn't
Yeah.
we put this in the cookbook?
Yeah.
Oh, we didn't know it then.
Didn't know.
We didn't know before.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then
And
mix now.
so no milk?
No milk.
No soy
no
milk?
No milk. No soy milk. Just oil. And then little bit water. If feel too
So
dry.
like how much? Like I
Yeah.
put maybe 1 tablespoon
Yes.
first.
Okay.
Have you ever used cassava flour before? Like, I've only ever used it in Indonesia, and I've only really ever used it in these cookies. When she was making them, I was like, what is that? And they're just
Okay.
delicious. All my friends order them. Another tablespoon?
Yep. That's it. And then we use hand now.
Ah.
The mix.
I've got a tray, paper. Why do you mix it with your hands?
Because my hand can feeling like combine
Yeah.
like this.
you can feel the texture.
Yeah, feel the texture, like that.
That's one thing in Indonesia. When we're cooking, we use our hands, right?
Yep, yep.
A lot of hands when we're
Lots
making
of hand.
any kind of spice mix or any kind of lawa,
Yep.
which is like a salad.
Yep.
Sambal, we use our hands.
Yep. So now you want to try to make bowl.
And then squash it.
Yeah, squash it and then make like
You squash it with love, yeah?
squash with love, or you
of
get
love.
those.
A lot of love. Oh yeah, I get it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. If you use spoon, you cannot feeling like
Yeah.
yeah.
So you gotta have good energy in your
Yeah,
mind.
good energy.
Cat doors? Where's cat doors? Come in here. Do you need to do this?
Oh, yeah. Sit. Alright.
Oh, we're doing a situation.
Okay.
Yep.
This is a speed version.
This will work.
Am I doing it right?
Are you doing? Is she doing it right? Look at her. She's a cook now.
Yeah. Welcome to kitchen kettles.
Okay, these are going to be yum.
They are.
You know what I like to do? Put chocolate on top. But Lasmini always says, don't do that.
Oh, does she messing with the vibe?
She's like, why do you want more chocolate?
Yeah, it's a lot of chocolate.
I can't help it.
But you know what? There's
These are the best cookies in the world.
they really are. Like I've got to say, every day.
Every day.
I haven't been
Breakfast?
Every day.
I've only been here 3 weeks, but it's been 4
We've
weeks.
had probably, how many portions have you made of cookies?
Every
2
day.
portion,
In cooking, no, in 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Maybe.
1 week I make 2 portions. So
And how many portions have we made?
6 portion. Oh my
Breakfast,
god.
lunch, and dinner.
Yeah, kettles do it for breakfast, lunch, dinner. This cookie is still good, yeah?
So you're doing it right, mate.
Yeah.
Look at that. Mate, I'm going to fix yours. Yours is just a little bit dodgy.
It's a bit mutated.
Hey, let's weigh them. Can you weigh one, Kat, to see how much they are? Because I want to see how many grams. So at home, this is how many grams ours were.
For me, 40 gram and then 43. Look at that.
Let's try this one.
This one.
Okay. 39.
35.
No, 9. 39. Another one, Cat Dodds.
Okay.
You want 40 grams.
42.
42.
It's like a competition.
It works out to be 16 cookies, right, Lus?
38.
But it works out to be 16, right?
16.
Yeah.
Yeah.
31.
16.
That's an oldie. Okay, go, mate. What do you do next? What's the process?
Process is preheat your oven.
Yep.
When you make it, just preheat oven 5 minutes or 10 minutes.
Yeah.
And then after cookies ready, just put on the oven, 25 minutes, done.
What degrees?
130.
130.
130.
Awesome.
Yep.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
Everybody.
Good cookies tonight. Okay,
Thank you, mate.
25 minutes.
Murakasi.
Okay? Yes, okay. See you on the next cookies. Okay? Wow, cookies ready.
Is that the alarm?
Yeah.
Is that cookies?
Is it cookies done?
Yes, this is cookie.
Is it done?
Yes, it's done. 25 minutes. I will turn. No, not yet.
Wait,
It's still
wait,
hot.
I really
Hey,
need
hey, hey,
No,
hey,
no,
hey,
really?
hey, not yet.
No,
Not
I
yet.
just-
Stop.
You go on. Hey, you get one.
Give me the cookies. This is still hot.
Oh,
You
my
cannot.
Can I have one? Can I have one? No, really.
No. We need to turn off this one first. Everybody.
She got one.
Oh my god, get those. This still hot. Wait. Yeah, wait. We need to put here first. Hey, no, not yet. Not yet. This still
God.
hot.
You're fast, yeah?
Stop. This still hot. Hey, Seb still want to eat chocolate, cookies, chocolate, cookies. Okay, Seb. More chocolate. Hey,
you ready?
Hey, you already have one. Hey, come on, cameraman want to these cookies? Oh no. Everyone want cookies. Do you want cookies?
Yes.
No, but cannot eat. Oh, I have from yesterday.
Where?
Okay,
I
wait.
thought I ate all the cookies.
Wait. Yesterday I make yesterday. Okay, I have cookies from yesterday. Everybody.
I thought she ate.
Okay.
I thought
Not
she ate
yet. Not yet. Hang on.
them. Okay.
Ta-da.
Thank you.
Oh my god. So quick.
Suksama.
Suksamawali.
Oh yeah, thanks, mate.
Oh my god. Hi. Oh my god, my cookie!